Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal easy method. Start by measuring 1 cup rolled oats and 2 cups water or milk into a pot, then bring to a gentle simmer. Stir occasionally for 5 to 7 minutes until creamy. Add a pinch of salt, then sweeten or add fruit as desired. Top with nuts or seeds for texture. Serve warm and enjoy a quick, comforting breakfast. Stovetop is classic, but microwave makes oatmeal fast and easy. Use a large bowl to prevent spills, combine oats and liquid, then microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring once. Let it sit for 1 minute to thicken, then add berries, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. Adjust thickness with a splash more milk or water. Enjoy this speedy method on busy mornings. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to read recipes and cookbooks anywhere, perfect for kitchen counters and tabletops. Its bright screen and long battery life are surprisingly handy while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Experimenting with flavors keeps oatmeal interesting and delicious. Start with simple pairings like cinnamon and banana or peanut butter and apples for balanced texture and protein. For a dessert-like bowl, stir in cocoa powder and a touch of maple syrup. Fresh fruit, seeds, and a sprinkle of toasted nuts add color and crunch without fuss. Adjust sweetness and spice to your taste for a perfect bowl every time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.